Welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of numismatics. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of coin collecting by discussing the France 5 francs 1995 coin, particularly its uncirculated value in dollars. The France 5 franc coin, minted in 1995, holds historical significance and is sought after by collectors worldwide. Its design features the iconic sower motif, symbolizing agricultural abundance and the spirit of the French Republic. Now, let's talk about the value of this coin. The France 5 franc 1995 coin, especially in uncirculated condition, can command a decent price in the collector's market. As of our research, the uncirculated France 5 franc 1995 coin can typically fetch anywhere from $300 to $570,000 USD, depending on its condition and rarity. However, it's essential to remember that the value of coins fluctuates based on factors such as demand, rarity, and market trends. So, if you happen to stumble upon this coin in your collection or come across it while coin hunting, be sure to assess its condition carefully and consult with reputable numismatic resources or experts to determine its exact value. And that wraps up our discussion on the France 5 francs 1995 coin's uncirculated value in dollars. Next, moving the 1961 France 1 franc coin. If you're curious about its worth in today's market, you've come to the right place. First things first, let's take a closer look at this beautiful coin. Minted in 1961, this French 1 franc coin features the iconic image of a sower, symbolizing the agricultural heritage of France. Now, when it comes to determining the value of a coin, several factors come into play, such as its condition, rarity, and historical significance. In this case, we're looking at an uncirculated coin, meaning it's in pristine condition, free from any wear and tear. Now, let's talk value. As of January 2024, an uncirculated 1961 France 1 franc coin can fetch anywhere from $800,000 USD in the collector's market. However, it's essential to note that the value of coins can fluctuate based on various factors, including market demand and the condition of the specific coin. If you're considering buying or selling a coin like this, it's always a good idea to do your research and consult with reputable numismatic experts or dealers. And there you have it, folks. The value of a 1961 France 1 francs coin in today's market. Next, moving, this small yet historically significant coin was minted in 1985 in France, during a time of economic stability and cultural renaissance. During the 1980s, France was experiencing a period of modernization and growth reflected in the design of this coin. Now, let's talk about its value. The 1985 France 20 centimes coin, if uncirculated, can hold a certain worth in today's market. Due to its age and relative scarcity, an uncirculated 1985 France 20 centimes coin can fetch a decent value among collectors. Factors such as condition, mint mark, and overall rarity can influence its price. On various numismatic websites and online marketplaces, you may find listings for this coin ranging from a few dollars to upwards of $460,000 or more, depending on its condition and other factors. So, if you happen to stumble upon a 1985 France 20 centimes coin in uncirculated condition, it might be worth taking a closer look and considering its potential value. And that wraps up our exploration of the value of the 1985 France 20 centimes coin. Next, moving the 10 centimes from 1988. Released as part of the French currency system, this coin holds both historical and monetary value. Let's uncover its worth in today's market. Firstly, it's essential to assess the coin's condition. If you're lucky enough to have an uncirculated piece, meaning it's never been used in transactions and retains its original mint state, you're already ahead in terms of value. When examining an uncirculated 1988 10 centimes coin, we look for signs of wear, scratches, or discoloration. A pristine condition coin fetches a higher price in the collector's market. Now, let's talk dollars and cents. The value of this coin can vary based on factors like demand, rarity, and current market trends. As of recent evaluations, an uncirculated 1988 10 centimes coin can range from around $390,000 USD. Of course, prices fluctuate, so it's essential to stay updated with the latest market trends. Online marketplaces and coin collector forums are great resources for gauging current values. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your numismatic journey, the 1988 10 centimes coin from France is a charming piece of history to add to your collection. Its intricate design and cultural significance make it a coveted item among enthusiasts. And there you have it, folks. The value of the 1988 10 centimes coin in uncirculated condition. Next, moving the France 5 centimes 1992 uncirculated coin. Let's take a closer look at this exquisite piece of history. Minted in 1992, this coin features the iconic design of Mary Anne, the symbol of the French Republic, on the obverse side. The reverse side showcases the denomination of 5 centimes along with the year of minting. Now, what exactly does uncirculated mean in the world of coin collecting? An uncirculated coin is one that has never been used in everyday transactions and thus retains its original mint condition. These coins are often sought after by collectors for their pristine appearance and rarity. To determine the value of this France 5 centimes 1992 uncirculated coin, we'll consider factors such as its rarity, condition, and demand in the numismatic market. While it may not be as valuable as some rare or ancient coins, it still holds significance for collectors interested in French coinage. Let's consult recent market data to gauge the approximate value of this coin in dollars. Keep in mind that prices can vary depending on factors such as current demand and the condition of the coin. After thorough research, it appears that the France 5 centimes 1992 uncirculated coin typically sells for around $1 to $5 USD in the numismatic market. Of course, this value is subject to change, so it's essential to stay updated on markettrends.l. And there you have it, folks. We've uncovered the value of the France 5 centimes 1992 uncirculated coin. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your numismatic journey, exploring coins like these offers a glimpse into history and a chance to appreciate the artistry of coinage. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy collecting.